Hey y'all, so this is day 1 of my rice water treatment. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to wash this hair because I do have a lot of oils and different stuff on my hair right now. So you really don't want no oils on your hair when you're starting with this rice water. And I am going to show you a video as well of how I made this rice water. It's very stinking, but I'm going to show you how I did it. This is the 3rd day. I just took it up. So I'm about to put it on my hair. Well, actually, I think this is the 2nd day because, yeah, this is the 2nd day. If I would have let it sit again tonight, it would have been the 3rd. But yeah, this is the 2nd. It's very stinking. I got my boyfriend going to the store for me now to get me some leave-in conditioner for my hair. But this is how my hair looks. This right here has been cut off because I had a crochet set in and I accidentally, yes, he was calling me to see what he needed to get and he got it. But yeah, so this is the stinky rice water. This has been sitting out for 2.5 days. It would have been 3 if I would have let it sit out longer than tonight. So yeah, it would have been 3 days. It's only been 2. So this is what my hair is looking like. I want y'all to take a real good examination. Like I said, this right here, I cut it off by accident, so that's why it's shorter than this over here. But this is what my hair is looking like. The back, side, and then the front. So I'm about to wash my hair, get it clean and fresh, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the rice water. Y'all, confidence is key, okay? With everything you do. Yeah, with everything you do, confidence is key. So this is my freshly washed hair. As you can see, my hair is not that long. So this is what it looks like freshly washed. I'm about to dry it. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm not sure if we're gonna need this comb, but I'm gonna say we're gonna need it. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay, so I'm gonna say we're gonna need this comb. Most definitely this detangle brush. Okay, this is I think I got this from the beauty supply store. It's a detangle brush. It works perfectly fine. The back is, off. It's been through some things, but yeah, detangle brush. Y'all, this is not something that we're gonna be using, but have y'all heard of The Body Shop? Shout out to Money for putting me onto this, but this is what it looks like. It just smells so good. If y'all have not been to The Body Shop, I heard it's expensive. I did not purchase or pay for this. This is called Juicy Pear, and it smells so good. So that's just something. Okay, so another thing that I've seen that needs to be used is silicone mix. And this is a conditioner. This is like a leave-in conditioner. And it helps your hair not to be so dry, and it helps, bring your hair back to life. So this is silicone mix treatment. And that just helps for it not to be so dry. And then of course I got him to purchase me some ponytail holders, long ones, and then the short cute ones because I needed some. And yeah, our rice water. So we're just waiting for my hair to dry a little more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how we're about to get this process started. Okay, I'm gonna do a 5-day routine. I might do a 7-day treatment, but I think I'm gonna do a 5 or 7-day treatment, and I'm just gonna show y'all the journey, where it's growing at, how far it came. We're in this together, okay? We're in this together. So we got this. We're gonna do this. Period. Y'all feel dizzy for some reason. I don't know why. Y'all, I feel so sleepy. I don't know why. But we about to get into the video regardless. Alright, so okay, y'all, this is the hair. This is what it's looking like. So I guess I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections. Ends. When you're detangling, start from your ends and work your way up. That's how this looks right here. So as you can see, just taking a portion, it stops like right here at my collarbone. A little bit below my collarbone. So I'm just, what I've seen, I've been watching a lot of different videos. I've seen it's easier to just put it in your roots and massage it through, not all the way through your ends, but I'm gonna try both ways. Today we're gonna do all the way through, okay? Because my hair is, yeah, it's pretty damaged. And y'all, this stuff really do stink. Like, smell like some Cheetos. Okay. And I'm gonna just do a section at a time. Y'all, I've been wearing wigs so much. Like, I wear wigs so much. I wear, you know, weave, all that stuff so much. I had some beautiful hair, like, and then I did a big chop. And then I did a big chop back in 2014, I think, or 15. I think it was 14. And then my hair was, actually took a long while for my hair to grow. And then after that, after my hair finally did start growing, I kept messing it up. So y'all don't be like me and keep messing your hair up. Don't mess your hair up. Take care of your hair. That's why we're doing this journey right here now. Because we got to get some hair growth going. I can't keep cutting my hair off. You know, like I don't care about my hair. Because your hair is your glory. My mother always told me. And I've always noticed that. I can't keep wearing all this weave and not, you know, really actually taking care of my real hair. So, yeah. You got to take care of your hair. As y'all see right here, I'm just going through and detangling every part of my hair since we already done sprayed the rice water up there. And it seems like, comment below if it seems like every time you starting to grow your hair a little bit back out, that it breaks right back off because you don't really take care of your hair as you should, or you know, just something, you don't take care of your hair, or your hair just suffering from breakage and shedding and damaging. Comment below if you struggle with that, because I feel like we all do. I know I do. So it's time for that to stop. I gotta take care of my hair. Okay. We should do one last spray, okay? Okay. And y'all, I feel like I'm gonna have to make some more rice water probably tonight, because I feel like this is probably gonna be about gone. You see, I feel like after tomorrow, after I do it tomorrow, it's gonna be gone. So as you can see, my hair is really dry. You don't really see any curl patterns. My hair is pretty much really short. It really has not grown that much. It seems like I just got the big chop, which is not good. So now what I'm about to do is just go through portions of my hair and then put the silicone up there. Just so it won't be as so dry, because my hair is already really, really dry. So just get the moisturizer and just go all through your hair from root to bottom. Just get it all in there and get it real good. And as y'all can see now, everything is in it. All of this that I have put in it. So I already done put it all through my hair. Okay, so now I'm about to get a plastic bag and put it over my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to just put this over my head. Alright, y'all, I'm back after everything is washed out. So y'all have seen my hair day one. And I will keep y'all updated on the journey of this rice water. And I am going to upload a video very soon of how I make the rice water and keep posted, because I am going to show y'all